No coffee, no oily food for today, guys. I want to have high water content. That's why I eat fruits in the morning. I need a daily hydration to maintain my energy, you know? We are not getting younger. Okay, and then it also lower our blood pressure. I don't have high blood, but this one, it will help us, prevent us not everyday meat. We use computer every day, handphone every day, so this one is for my eye health. Yeah. Then we also have healthy digestion to support our gut health. No oily for today. No coffee. No soda. Mas maganda yung ano. We have a variety of colorful flavor in the morning, no? To kick us throughout the day, na? So we must eat eggs. If you can do it every day, it's better. Maganda kasi itong eggs sa ano, sa blue lights, you know, against blue lights. How old now my father? My father is around 70 plus. 70 plus, but no eyeglass. Sorry. Ito din yung ano tinatawag na yung healthy fats na nakukuha natin sa katawan natin when we eat eggs. May ano kasi siya, omega 3. At nag-help din siya sa atin sa ano, yung sa brain function natin. Kaya yung papa ko, anong gusto mong kainin today? Egg. Sa susunod na naman na oras. Anong gusto mong kainin today? Egg. Mahilig siya sa egg. He likes to eat egg. Scrambled egg, omelette egg, boiled egg. So, pag nag-boil ka ng egg, when you boiled an egg, pagaling siya sa sa ref. Nire-ref ko kasi siya para manatili yung freshness ng eggs. Kasi pag sa labas siya, mas madali siyang masira. So, and then, pag gusto mo talagang yung sunny side up na luto, dapat yung egg mo nasa loob talaga ng ref. Kasi yung yellow niya, mananatili siyang fresh. So, pag kinain mo, as lagyan mo siya ng konting asin, then, it's very, very fresh. Kaysa yung egg na nasa labas lang. Kasi, pagka nasa labas, mas madaling mabasag ang yellow. Yung yellow niya. Kaya, mas maganda talaga, ipasok siya sa ref. Tapos, eto, kain tayo ng vegetables. Kasi kapag vegetable ang kinakain natin, or fruits in the morning, mas feel natin busog tayo. Hindi tayo mabilis magutom, you know? So, have a nice day, everyone. I hope na you should know how to priority what is good in the morning. Bago tayo gagawa ng mga bagay-bagay, dapat nakakapagpasalamat na tayo sa taas. Okay? Thank you so much and see you again. Bye!